Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Writesonic for SEO blog generation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type writesonic.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Writesonic homepage. On the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be presented with a login form. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After filling in your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface. You can now navigate to the SEO blog generation feature. Select the option for creating a new blog post. Follow the steps provided by the tool to generate your blog content. Ensure that you customize the settings according to your SEO needs. Once done, review and polish your generated content as necessary. You are now ready to utilize Writesonic for your SEO blog generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.